how will this year look like? My plan is to post 72 videos in the next 90 days, and this one is the first of the 72 video series. And if it is going to be very challenging, I really believe I need this. I need to gain the experience. I need to make sure that I keep the process as simple as possible, which helps me to keep the momentum and to gain the momentum and also get the experience as quickly as possible. I want to make sure that nothing is going to hold me back. Anytime I have something to say to you, I just start making the video, I edit it and I publish it without any hesitation. This is where I want to get right now. If I have to make a video, I just start to think about it, I just start to procrastinate and I really have to stop it. Basically, the first 12 to 24 videos will be about breaking my barriers. This will be really low quality videos. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to scrap them by time, but right now I'm going to publish them because I want to see where I need to improve, and then I'm going to focus on improving my skills one by one. The next 12 to 24 videos will be about idea creation. I'm going to look for ideas which have space on the YouTube. I'm going to test the industry, what channels are out there. I'm going to check what videos are doing and what kind of videos are getting interest from you guys. And then I'm going to test how I can do it, how I can explain the same in a better way or trying to explain it in a better way. In this phase, I'm going to focus on my skill set. I'm going to focus on my camera presence and I'm going to allow myself to make as many mistakes as possible. I'm not telling you that I'm going to intentionally make shitty videos for you. What I'm saying is that the more mistakes I'm going to do from the very beginning, the better I'm going to become. It's better to make a video and publish it than a perfect video never getting published. I'm going to make the videos for you, I'm going to publish it, and I'm going to get better and better by time. After the first 3 months, I think I'm going to get good at talking to the camera. I'm going to find my voice, I'm going to develop my gestures, and I'm going to also to find the speed what is more entertaining for you as well or keeps your interest. So basically the next 3 months will be about transition of the YouTube channel and about getting better and better. This time I'm going to make a website for my YouTube channel. I'm going to have also a list where you can subscribe to, and I'm going to add some affiliate links to my videos. So from month 4 I'm going to start some kind of monetization, but first of all I'm going to focus on the quality of my videos. In order to become better and better, I will need to start measuring how the videos are performing. I also need to understand how to present in a way you like it and you find it valuable. I'm going to do my best to keep you on the channel as long as possible and you keep watching my videos. When I enter this phase, I will know that I became good in telling stories. At that time, I'm going to have a small community. I'm going to gain the feedback from them, what is really interesting for them, what challenges they have, and how I can help them, and what kind of product I could make, which will be very, very useful for them. And I'm going to start developing and creating this product. At this moment, I don't know what this product is going to be. It is going to be a digital product, maybe it is going to be a physical product or a membership site, maybe I'm going to provide consultation, I don't know yet. I'm really curious about what you think, what your feedback will be, and I'm going to listen, and I think this is really key to be successful. I'm going to make sure that the quality is going to be great and I can level up. And I'm going to start also some collaboration with other creators. At the end of the year, I want to get into the third phase, where I can really launch my new product. I want to make sure that I'm going to have at least 3 revenue streams at that time. So I'm going to build my own info product, I'm going to have some ad revenue, and I'm going to gain revenue from affiliates as well. Or maybe I'm going to have a membership site, or maybe I'm going to use Patreon. I don't know yet, but we'll see. At the end of the year, I will really know what kind of channel I managed to build. I'm going to be able to assess the success, the main challenges, and also to be able to define the strategy for 2023. I want to be sure that at that time I'm going to become a well-known name in my niche. I want to be sure that I'm going to have a character, I'm going to have my own brand. I really hope you found this video very useful, you already subscribed, and see you in the next video.